Hi, my name is Dr. Lauren Hindt. I will be presenting work that I did with the Promoting Adjustment in Children Through Evaluation, or PACE Lab at Loyola University, Chicago, led by Dr. Scott Leon. The PACE Lab seeks to use tools used in program evaluation to improve the mental health and well-being outcomes of children and families, particularly those in the context of child welfare involvement. Our work is titled Ecological Disruptions and Well-being Among Children in Foster Care. The full manuscript can be found in the Journal of Orthopsychiatry. Our team thought of this study after reflection that a lot of research with children in foster care focuses on the association between a specific loss in an ecological system and related maladjustment. Few studies consider the greater ecological context. Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems framework highlights the importance of considering various environments and systems in children's lives, along with interactions among these systems. Such a perspective is essential in child welfare to inform prevention and intervention efforts. It is important to consider all of these systems, from friends, siblings, teachers, to neighborhoods, school systems, to culture, stigma, poverty, and socioeconomic status. With the recognition that we must take multiple systems into account when considering the well-being of children in foster care, our longitudinal study examined the relation between ecological disruptions and children's internalizing symptoms and externalizing behaviors. Internalizing symptoms include depression, anxiety, whereas externalizing includes behavioral problems such as aggression. We specifically examined ecological disruptions or separation from siblings, friends, school, church, and community. The sample consisted of 211 children who entered foster care in the Chicago area. Children ranged in age from 6 to 13 years, and slightly over half were female. The majority of the sample was African American. And in terms of methods, file reviews were completed by research assistants to gather information on demographics and ecological disruptions. The Child and Adolescent Needs and Strengths, or CANS, measured internalizing symptoms and externalizing behaviors. The CANS is a tool used to guide service planning in child welfare. We controlled for baseline child well-being, age, gender, and race, along with maltreatment severity. Results revealed both loss of community and loss of school were related to the presence of internalizing symptoms. Loss of community was also associated with the presence of externalizing behaviors, while loss of friends was related to the absence of externalizing behaviors. Findings suggest that maintaining children's connections to school and community is important. Separation from friends under certain circumstances was related to decreased externalizing. This finding could be explained by peer groups engaging in risky behavior and some children benefiting from removal of these contexts. Regardless, we need to be cautious when interpreting this finding because friends play an important role in children's lives. In terms of limitations, there are a multitude of ecological losses that children in foster care may experience outside of the 5 considered in this study. This study took place in one area, and findings could also differ in other communities or jurisdictions. Future research may consider ways of further qualifying and studying these ecological disruptions and the impact on various indicators of child well-being. With that, I'd like to thank you for your time.